How to move picture in Capcut. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you the ways to make your picture move in Capcut. In order to do it, so first thing first, you have to go ahead and open up your Capcut, and next thing what you want to do is, so import a new project. Let me go with this one and click the add button. Once you have added, now you need to go ahead and add an overlay. So go to overlay and add a photo that you want to move or that you want to make it move. Let's see, I'm gonna go with this one. So click the add button. Next thing you want to do is make sure to select the keyframe. So once it is added, now move the frame or position the photo where you actually want to make it move. So this way I'm gonna do it. So now once you've added the overlay, it should make your picture move. Likewise, you could also go ahead and use the templates that's available. So that's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.